How to make email templates with Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a really handy productivity tip on how you can create email templates in Gmail. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone tired of writing the same email over and over again, Gmail's built-in templates feature can save you tons of time. I'll walk you through everything from enabling templates to customizing and using them efficiently. So let's get started. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why email templates are so useful. Gmail templates let you save standard messages you send frequently. This could be a follow-up email, thank you messages, client responses, or onboarding instructions. Instead of typing out the same email repeatedly, templates let you insert it with a click of a button, reducing times and eliminating the mistakes. And so the first thing that we want to do is to simply open up the template features on our Google account. To do that, it's extremely simple. You just want to make sure that you are inside the right Google account right here. To do that, just click on your profile icon and select your Google account. You then want to head over to the settings icon. It's this icon right here. And simply once inside, you want to navigate through the see all settings. Now from here, as an additional tip, there's also the signature that we can go ahead and use, but let's go ahead and talk about it later. First things first, let's head over to the templates feature, click on advanced, and simply inside, you have features like auto advance, templates, custom keyboard shortcuts, and unread message icon. You want to make sure that the templates is enabled. Turn frequent messages into template to save time. Templates can be created and inserted through the more options menu in the compose bar or toolbar. You can also create automatic replies using templates and flyers filters together. So you want to click on the enable button, click on save changes, and right after that we have successfully enabled the template feature on our Google account. Now, to basically use the template feature or to create our own template, it's as simple as clicking the compose button, and from here you then want to simply click on the more options button. Inside, click on template, and you will go ahead and see all of your templates right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and type your template. In our case, we are going to use ChatGPT in order to make things easier. Let's just go ahead and ask GPT something like, give me an email template about my clothing business for Shopify. Right after that, click on the send button, and ChatGPT will go ahead and provide us with a template for our Shopify clothing business. So let's just go ahead and copy the email right here and paste it towards the composed email. Simply once inside, you then want to go ahead and edit this out depending on your company or on your email. So in our case, we have the customer's first name and we have the welcome message right here and more. So once again, you then want to edit this out, of course, and to finally save the template, you just want to head over to the three dots once more, click on templates, and from here you want to go ahead and save draft as a template button. Click on save as new template, and from here you will be able to name this to whatever you want to. In our case, let's go ahead and put something like clothing Shopify. Click on save, and you have successfully saved that specific email. And so if we click on the refresh button, and if we click on compose, head over to the templates menu, we can then go ahead and see inside the templates that we have saved earlier, which is the clothing Shopify. If we click on it, it will automatically import it into our email right here, making it easier for us to send emails on the go. So let's go ahead and explore more about this topic. Once again, you just want to head over to your Shopify or to your settings right here. And inside, you then want to basically enable the signature option. Now, if you don't want to use templates, you can just go ahead and use the signature, which in my opinion is going to be a lot easier. You can just click on the create new button, and from here you can name this to whatever you want to. Click on create, and you will be able to simply create your own signature. Now, as an example, I'll go ahead and enter the signature right here. You then have your founder, Instagram link, website link, and customer support email, or to whatever you want to. You can also edit the text right here depending on your style. And right after that, you then have your signature details. Now, for new email use, you then want to go ahead and choose no signature or me, and you also want to edit this out. Right after editing out your signature, click on the save changes. Head back to your Gmail account right here. Click on compose, and simply once inside, we can now go ahead and use our signature. Just click on the insert signature button, click on me, and it will instantly insert our signature to our email right here. And so let's go ahead and try another template on our email or Gmail right here. And this time, we are going to create a welcome template. Let's go ahead and put something like create an email template for a welcome message on my Shopify business account. From here, let's click on the send button, and we will be able to simply go ahead and get our email or template right here. Once again, you want to paste your template, paste it inside the new messages, and right after customizing the email right here the way you want to, you then want to head over to the three dots, click on templates, click on save draft as templates, and from here you then want to click on the save as new template. In here, let's just go ahead and type something like welcome. And so if a customer opens up your Shopify account, you can quickly send them a message by heading over to your template right here easily. You can also use automation tools to simply send emails on your new customers. So basically, there's a lot of applications for Gmail templates right here that you can go ahead and use in order to make things easier. You can also override some of your templates if you want to. So for example, I've updated my template right here. And let's say that I want to override my outdated templates. You then want to click on the templates button, click on save draft as template, and from here, you then want to click on the template that you want to override. Click on save, and you have successfully override that template. It's the same thing with deleting a template. You just want to head over to the delete template option, click on a specific template that you want to delete, and you should be good to go. And so guys, those are the things that you need to know about Gmail templates. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.